Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I'm Shafiqul Islam from Shafiqul PPC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Ads account as a manager account. So you can manage multiple account from this account. Okay. So let's start. When you find ads.google.com or find the Google Manager account, anything you find in Google search box, that time you will see that this type of interface. Okay, so click on signing or get started. I just hit get started and create a new account that can manage another Google normal account, multiple account. Okay, you just input there are several account from another email address, and you just manager account actually a Google account hub that can store so many accounts in the same account. Okay, so I need to put the account name is pro ads bd, pro ads bd, and then there's two options: manage other people's account or manage my account. Both of them you can choose from here. So I choose manage people's account, and everything will be remain here, and I'm not robot. Submit and explore your account. Just hit the button and here it is. You just see that your account is opened here. Okay, this is very simple and simple way to create a manager account. And then how to you cannot create directly campaign from this account. You enter another account, like here is no account. See, this is direct manager account, that's why I cannot create campaign. So I hit the plus button and create new manager account, create new account, link exist account. Here you can see three. You can create another manager account, you can create new account. Just I try to create new account from this place, and let's see. Okay, provides normal account, pro ads bd account and Google Ads account. Here smart campaign account, no, Google Ads account. So from Bangladesh, it's the time zone and the paying currency. And okay, hit the option save and continue. Now asking billing address. Without billing address, I have to create this account because I don't want to pay don't want to input my billing information in this account right now. Yeah, I'm sure. Where is my yeah, just I back down and give me one account from the Google normal account. Okay, so right now I go to this account, try to enter this account and create new campaign. Okay, this is the campaign interface. This video is until here. After I will show you how to create a smart campaign, another video. Okay, thank you very much for your time and watching this video.